Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to use split screen to run two apps at once. First, open the first app you want to use. If you use buttons, tap the recent apps button, like a square. And if you use gesture navigation, swipe up from the bottom and hold to open recent apps. Tap the app's icon at the top or the drop down. Then select Split Screen. Now choose the second app from the list. Your screen is now divided, so you can, for example, watch YouTube on the top half while chatting on Messenger at the bottom. Not all apps support split screen, so you may see some apps not working in this mode. And to exit split screen, drag the divider line all the way up or down until one app takes the full screen. And that's how to use split screen to run two apps in Android.